So, we made a trip to all of the local Dollar Trees except one, and I spent a whole bunch of money on Dollar Tree packs that are weighed. We weighed them in the store. We got Lost Thunder, Team Up, I think some other kind, but it's been a while since our last video because we had to wait for the stores to restock, and this isn't all of them, but what? So many approved. So we got a whole bunch of Teamed Up, and we got Lost Thunder. Team Up, I actually spent like $50 in booster packs from the local comic book store, the full packs, and didn't really get anything. Oh, that's in a video we made actually. So this time, with our weighed Pokemon, we should get a whole bunch of... Do you have the scale?
Oh yeah, it's in my purse. It's on the right.
Okay. So I don't know how many we're going to do in this video. We're just going to do it until we should take a break, but we got about 60 or so packs. And we're going to weigh them in front of the camera so people can see. So this is pretty much going to be all Team Up. We do have some Lost Thunder though. And we've never done the Team Up, obviously, because it's kind of new to Dollar Store, I feel like. But we got 7.7 and up. So, all right, we don't need to do this.
Okay.
So you want to do Lost Thunder first?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's see. $7.8. Oh man, did we just get something? Yes, we did.
Nice.
Alolan Ninetales. Very first one.
How do you see that?
Alolan Ninetales?
Nice.
Yeah. That was a 7.8. Okay. 7.82. I definitely miss doing these videos. Got a reverse hollow.
Oh, you're not gonna separate.
Yeah.
Reverse.
Oh yeah.
You're rusty.
I am rusty. 7.83.
Wow. What's that?
Zeraora. If anyone knows how to pronounce these, it'd be great to know.
Make a video.
Make a video and reply to us.
JK.
For our super fans out there, all 26 of you.
I don't even know they're super fans.
23 of us. Yeah, no. So I know some of you guys are cool.
Ooh, it looks dark.
Here from the beginning. Ooh,
cool.
Prism Star? I believe that's what it's called. Ditto. Oh, nice. I like it.
Beautiful. It looks like a blob.
It's a blob.
He's like Ditto. I'm Ditto.
Ditto actually can morph into like any Pokemon. That's its deal.
How much was that one?
I don't know. Good old Prism Star.
Ooh, that's a cool one. Reminds me of the Never-Ending Story for some reason.
Onyx. Okay, on
What's the
to
name? Oh, we should watch that movie actually.
Team Up.
The Never-Ending Story. Have you seen it?
I have
Oh my gosh, Robert. Let's watch that.
the new one. Or?
It's like, no, the original.
Oh,
one.
you know what? I think I have seen it.
Babe, you make me worried sometimes.
I forgot what number this was, but it is a hollow Jirachi. I like it. Actually, you know what? Look,
I thought it would be.
I've gotten one of
yeah.
those. You can't see it, but it's.
Yeah, you can. Oh, it's right there.
That was like the only good pull I got out of those 15 packs, and I just got the same card for $1. 7.82. It's hard to open, so it must be a good card. A reverse hollow Grimer. Wah, wah, wah. $7.81. I'm a little worried about those 7.7 packs.
You are?
Reverse hollow Psyduck.
Well, you never know, honestly. Like, remember when, like, super heavy ones weren't shit?
Yeah. Well,
Yeah, I was about to show you that.
This is a 7.8. We got a Weedle.
Weedle.
Alright, here's moment of truth. 7.76. Did we get a whole bunch of bad cards?
Oh god. Yeah. I think we just got excited because it's been so long.
No.
So we were like, let's get it.
They're reverse hollows, so definitely opportunity to get some good cards. 7.81. Definitely not using my teeth. Reverse hollow Trainer. These are actually from Dollar General. I don't know if you guys have that. I don't know if that's a local thing or something. We got a reverse hollow rare. Low and Golem. I really don't.
We definitely might have to do like 2 videos because my arm is gonna die.
Reverse hollow rare.
Absol.
Those are good cards, so I mean, it's not what we're looking for.
You know, it'd be so fun being like an illustrator for these.
Yeah, it would. That would be one awesome job.
Man, I bet I could.
Let me get some scissors or something. Next video, we will just cut them open.
I know, there's like no point.
Oh! I haven't seen a Dragonite in a while. I mean, I know it's not super rare and everything, but it is a hollow Dragonite. One of my favorite Pokemon is a dragon. I like it. That was a 7.7 something. Got a hollow Yveltal.
Ooh, that looks dope.
That is pretty epic looking. Alright.
Wow, that looks so cool.
I know. So, looks like they put a lot of work into that one.
Yeah.
We continue on for a ultra rare and team up. Reverse Dratini. $7.74. I watched someone else's video. They got some nice cards at 7.75. But it seems we are just getting reverse hollows. But you know what? That last dollar store we went to, like, we got like a ton of packs that are all 8.
Ooh, that one's cute. Look how cute that is. Oh.
It's one of the original Pokemon.
It's so adorable. Man, we should get a kitten.
Yeah. 7.81. This is gonna be our first ultra rare right here.
What did you kind of see?
No, I didn't. I'm just hoping.
Just for hoping.
We got a reverse hollow Dragonite.
Okay. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Well, we're getting all hollows. Geodude, come on.
There's so many more cards.
Killing me. How many packs have we opened up?
I have no idea, babe. I definitely haven't been counting.
Does your arm hurt?
No. I think I'm like too engrossed in this.
Got a hollow trainer.
Thinking about it as much.
Can we get like one at least?
We're gonna get one, babe. Look at all those cards over there.
Got the reverse hollow of the Sensei.
I'm seeing a pattern here.
Yes.
Yes.
What do you think?
Yes.
Do these and stop it, or?
Yeah.
Okay. 7.82. We're gonna do a part 1 and 2 on this. No. Himoli reverse.
Cool one too.
Hmm?
I said that was a cool one too.
Yeah. Oh, we got a Lost Thunder.
Woohoo!
We may actually get something in this pack.
Yeah? Nice. That would be awesome.
Or not. 7.75. Ooh, Aerodactyl. Nice. It's the whole thing holographic? The whole... Is this reverse hollow? No, the whole thing's holographic.
Yeah, that's cool.
Huh. Aerodactyl. I like it.
That don't see those that much.
Yeah. Is there GXs or EXGX in these packs? Oh!
Whoa.
Damn.
Have we gotten that one before?
Nope.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, it looks really cool. Oh my gosh, that looks
This is
dope.
a secret rare. That's a shiny.
That looks really beautiful. Oh my god, what is that thing on the left of them?
That's like an imposter Pikachu.
Gengar
kinda.
and Mimikyu. Mimikyu.
Ooh.
Does it look good?
Yeah.
Did the cashier not fuck it up?
Mm-mm.
Poltergeist. Oh, that looks so sick. Oh my gosh.
You gotta clear out all these shitty cards.
Put it in the middle.
Tag team. I guess it's that whole team up deal. Number 186 out of 181.
Oh my gosh. That looks so cool.
Did you see what the weight on that was?
775? No?
Yeah, it was something like that.
I don't know. We'll check it out. Maybe that was before it.
Yeah.
Oh, that looks sick. Dope.
Back to Lost Thunder. I'm happy now.
Yeah, that looks like it's pretty like rare and shit. Maybe, I don't know.
Yeah.
I haven't seen one like that before.
Secret rare. Definitely, I don't know what it's worth. Probably 15, 20 bucks maybe more. Whoa. It's the old feeling pack. Blissey. Not as exciting, but it is rare. Okay, in this video we're gonna do 5 more, I guess, and then we'll do a part 2. The Lost Thunders.
That's so cool looking though.
Yeah. Sweet.
What's it called?
NT 777. It's our lucky number. Torque. 7.82. These are all the like curved packs, kind of.
Yeah.
What happened to this? I don't know if that affects the value of cards or not. Because once they're in the PSA case, they can't bend. So it's like. 7.81. Here, there, that is this one.
Oh, really? What's it called? Mimikyu?
Doesn't it look like Pikachu?
Mimikyu.
It's like some super creepy
Yeah, it's
Pikachu.
cool though. It's like the Black Spider-Man. Pikachu.
Oh.
Wowzers.
Whoa, whoa,
I
whoa,
don't think
whoa.
we've gotten that one before either.
No.
Tapu Koko. Dubskis. Wow. What is that? Look, what does that look like?
I don't know. Looks like a little guy with big arms.
Oh, is it like a wasp type thing?
So, for our first half of the video, we have run through some cards, some packs, but I'm really happy about that tag team. This Ninetales I heard is pretty good. I think we've got one of those actually. And we've got a lot more videos to go. So, I mean, a lot more cards.
Oh, are we done? Okay. Bye. No?